In this video, I will show you how to create this open knot stitch pattern. Today I'll be using Wool & the Gang's Shiny Happy Cotton in moss green and a pair of 5mm knitting needles. This stitch is used in our Saltwater Sweater pattern. Okay, let's get started. So I've worked a few rows of open knot stitch already. This pattern is a 4-row repeat that is worked over a multiple of 3 stitches. So for this swatch, I have cast on 30 stitches. To work pattern row 1, first you need to start by knitting 2 stitches. Then, bring the yarn to the front of your work and take it over the right needle, making a yarn over. Then knit 3 stitches. Now we're going to create the knot. So I'm going to lift the first of these 3 stitches up and over the other 2 stitches and then off the needle. Okay, so we're going to repeat that process again. So that's bring the yarn to the front and make a yarn over, knit 3 stitches, then lift the first of these 3 stitches up and over the other 2 stitches and off the needle. So I'm going to keep repeating that until I get to the end of the row. Okay, so I've just finished my last repeat and I have 1 stitch left. I'm just going to knit this stitch. So for the second pattern row and for all the even pattern rows, I'm going to purl all of the stitches on this row. Okay, so the third pattern row is similar to the first one, except this time we're going to start by only knitting 1 stitch. Then we're going to knit 3 stitches and create a knot in the same way as before by lifting the first of these 3 up, over and off the needle. Then I'm going to make a yarn over now and then knit 3 stitches again. And then I'm going to create another knot with these 3 stitches. So this time you do your 3 stitches and then a yarn over, and I'm going to repeat this to the end of the row. So I've just finished my last repeat with the yarn over, and now I'm going to knit the final 2 stitches. So that's 3 rows of the repeat complete. We've got 1 row left, and I'm going to purl this row. And there you go, that's your 4th row complete. So to continue working in this stitch pattern, then you need to keep repeating these 4 rows. And there you go, that's how you work the open knot stitch pattern. Thanks for watching.